We've got a user who has gone through what we've all gone through at some time or another. He's lost his user settings. So for Programinator and anyone else who it will benefit, I would like to show how to automate a backup. Now I showed in a video here where I was using WinRAR to create an archive of my shared Mastercam files and my Mastercam files. So once I get done with this little video, I'll come back and post everything here that I'm doing and a link to the video. So the first thing you got to do is go to download.com and download WinRAR. Most likely the 64-bit. It's free. It says free to try. I promise it's free. I've been using it for like a decade. The only thing you get is this nag screen that pops up. There we go. So I'm going to show you how to use a batch file to do this. Let's get that out of the way. I'm already sitting on my batch file. Alright, so let's take a look at it. I have two command lines here. Alright, so this little part here is where we're going to run WinRAR. This is where we're going to add to or create an archive. This is where we're going to name our file in a year, month, day format. This is just how I do practically everything so that I can find it easier by year than month than day. This is the folder where it's going to be created. And this is what we're going to be adding to it. You'll notice the second line is exactly the same, with the exception of what I'm adding, and I'm adding my MCAM. So here we have shared Mastercam and my Mastercam. Alright, so if I just double click that, we should see a file get created right here. There's the file. Here's what's going on. It's going pretty fast, but if you catch it every now and then, you can see it adding files to the directory. So now it's gone, so it should be done. Nag screen. So there's all my shared files. And there's my MCAM. So the command line is working. And if you'll notice the little icon here, that's because I've got it on my Dropbox. Every time it creates one, it will upload to my Dropbox. I'm just going to delete that because this is not where I do that, just where I'm showing you guys how to do it. Alright, so now in order to create that as a task, I'm going to click on Start, and I'm going to type in Task, and then I'm going to click on Task Scheduler. It should bring this fancy looking thing here up. If you've never used this, it's very, very simple. It's standard in Windows. You can create automated tasks. That's exactly what we're going to do now. I'm going to click Create Task. Because a vision softly creeping. Oops, caps lock's on. Alright, this is who's going to use it. Let's see here. I want it to run whether I'm logged on or not. Triggers. I want it to do it, let's do this weekly. Start it next Friday. I'm going to change it to 8 even a.m. so that my computer is likely on. Let's see, recurs every week on Friday. I don't want to delay the task. I'm not worried about repeating it. Let's see here. I don't want it to expire. Actions. I'm going to add a new. I want to start a program. There's my batch file. No arguments because everything's done inside the batch file. Okay. Conditions. Let's see here. I want to start the task if it's on. I do not want to stop it. It's a desktop. It's not going to go on battery power. I would like to wake it to run this. Alright, so if we miss the task, we will run it as soon as possible. It's not going to take that long. If it goes wrong, it'll let you know. We're not going to worry about that. Do not want to start a new instance if it fails. Alright, okay, and we should see it pop up here. Whoops, I forgot about that. Password. There we go. And there it is. There's our task, scheduled and ready to run, 8 a.m. every Friday. And now you have automated Mastercam backup. And if you put it on Dropbox, you have automated Mastercam backup that you can access anywhere and that you don't have to worry about losing.